If you've got some cracking in a floor in a vehicle that is this stuff, this hard rubbery stuff and not fabric, then there is a quick and very cheap way to at least temporarily fix this. It's a lot cheaper than replacing the whole floor, that's for sure. This is what I use. I've got a piece of cardboard to scrape the RTV. I've got the RTV itself. You can go with some color matching stuff if you want. I usually just go with gray. You've got some duct tape, brake clean. That can help, although it's not required. And then the sandpaper, which again is helpful but not required, and you'll need a rag to wipe some of the moisture off. I'll start by cleaning the area just a little bit, just wiping it up. You definitely don't want any water on this. Getting little pieces out. Spray it with some brake clean. That's not required, but it's a little helpful to get that a little bit cleaner. Then I go in with some sandpaper to score it up just a little bit. I do just a little bit around where the split is. Good enough, nothing too crazy. Spray it again. And wipe that up. And because it's now slightly scored, the RTV will hold just a little bit better. Then I go ahead and get the tape, and what I use that for is I make a little kind of a pattern, but more of like an outline around all the cracks. That way when I put the RTV on the floor and smear it, it doesn't look like a huge massive mess everywhere. I've got that all taped up. I couldn't do that with one hand, so I had to set the phone down. And you'll see I've got some tabs right here. That is for pulling it up once the RTV is down and smeared all over the place evenly. And I took my finger and just traced around here and make sure there's no little air pockets or spots where any RTV can slide under. You do definitely want it in the cracks, you just don't want it under the tape. Then we take the RTV and glob it all over the place, and then try to even it out with a piece of cardboard. If the cracks are deep enough, I will set it on here and squeeze as I pull it slowly one way, and that gets it down in the cracks a little bit better than if you were to go super quick and just spread it everywhere. Got it gooped all over the place, and it does not look very good, but it is in there well. And to make it look a little better, we have the cardboard. Then we just go ahead and try to smooth that out. I don't press too terribly hard, just kind of pull it. And this isn't gonna look amazing, but it's going to be a lot cheaper than replacing the entire floor or just doing the patches. And if you mess up, you get lines in it like that, there's likely something on the cardboard. You can just re-smear it down and then trace it again. Go like that until you've got it pretty much how you want it. There it is, about as even as I can get it. This is not going to win any awards, but it is going to look a lot better than if you just smeared RTV everywhere. Then you go ahead and pull the duct tape up. And there we have it. Not super beautiful again, but it's going to be functional. So this will hold it together until the entire liner can get replaced, or if who I'm doing this for doesn't really care, then that will just stay forever pretty much. I hope this helped somebody. Thank you for watching.